YouTube, and what's going guys, and welcome back to TK's RC Garage. And if you guys like RCs and other RC related stuff, start now by smashing that subscribe button and the notification bell for upcoming videos. And as you guys read the title, I guess, yep, this is what we're gonna do today. The FlySky FS-i6. Let's set this up, and I don't have a receiver, so we're not going to bind it. Let's get right into it. Guys, the intro, please smash that intro. Okay, so I'm back, and let's not waste any time, and let's just start. So as you guys have seen me unboxing this in my previous video, please do check that out somewhere there. Might pop any second right, might pop any second now. Okay, ta-da-da-da-da. Let's get this thing out. Okay, so we have the FlySky FS-i6. Let's leave that there, and you actually get a compartment here for some reason. I don't know what that's for, so I just store my batteries there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna go die somewhere, so I'm gonna just shoot. Didn't expect that. Okay, so I've got the FlySky FS-i6 right here. 4AA battery compartment. Now it's not my battery compartment, of course. Let's just first my AA battery. We've got Ever-Ready, Duracell, and Sony. Okay, so first things first. Okay, what you got to do is install these 4 batteries. Make sure they are of the same company, cause I don't know, that's what the manual says. I don't know why. It might cause harm to your radio. So let's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we've done our bit. Let's go now. I don't know what I say. Let's just get this thing running. So what this is for is I just got a lanyard. So let me see if you guys, yup, get that right, so you can put it on your neck. Okay, so let's get that out, and let's get this a bit zoomed in so we can see what I'm doing. Okay, so for the beginners out there like me, trust me, it's not hard. Let's just get into the video. So this is your power button, your bind key, your up, down, okay, cancel, and your throttles and blah 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 blah. So 3, 2, 1. The first thing it says is, okay, so you need to get all your switches down, especially these on top, and then okay, that's me. Okay, so this what it does here is it's your transmitter battery. How much battery is there? There's the voltage here, it just dropped. I'll talk about the plane later. You got the FlySky logo. Okay, so let's zoom it onto the screen part so guys can see what's going on. Not too much, but yeah. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is hold down the OK button, and you see system and setup. Okay, so let's go to the system first. We have model select, so this is the model I'm in, model 1, and your model name, so you can choose the name. I don't know, it's not focusing for some reason. You can choose your name like blah, so that. And we've got the type, so this is what you got: an airplane. You press the up and the don't go back. airplane or glider, helicopter, fixed pitch, variable pitch, swash 90, swash 120 and swash 140. So airplane or glider, and you choose and you press the cancel for about till you hear the beep. You hear that? And now you see that? So I'm on uh, airplane, so let's go back, cancel, and now you can copy your model. That's another thing. You can reset your model. You can set up your RX, that's your receiver. Since I haven't binded it yet, that's not needed. Trainer mode, that's for your right there. Okay, let's zoom out. Not too much for you. Okay, so you've got the trainer mode, then you've got the student mode, then you've got the sticks, that's your channel 1, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it comes on 2 from the factory. So let's just cancel that. That's your brightness. Oh, that's damn right. So this will drain your battery, and I wouldn't suggest you to do it. Keep it at 8 or somewhere at 10 unless you are really blind. Cancel firmware version. Just don't mess with these, and especially not that. So you've got the function set up. Okay, so we can reverse your sticks or anything. So you guys can see that, right? Okay, just reversed one. So keep pressing OK and get back to channel 2 and press OK or cancel. OK is to change, and your up and down is to do that, and cancel is to literally set it. So your endpoints are here, so keep this. I just moved the tripod for some reason. So keep that all at 100 unless you guys are doing something which I don't recommend. And we've got display, so this is really important. It shows you all the channels. So we've got channel 1, we've got channel 1, channel 2, channel 4, channel 3, and we've got these. So the display keeps going out every few seconds. That and that. So this just, there's nothing to set, it's just your display. That's your aux channel, your sub trim and dual rate, and don't mess with these. Throttle curve, mix, 11 I guess, V-tail, blah, switch assign, throttle hold, oh my god. Okay, so that's it. That's it. That's it. You can deal with that receiver. Let's just 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, so without a receiver, of course you can do a simulator right there which says trainer. Can you guys read that? It says trainer right there. So you can play simulators on this, of course, but this is just going through all the functions. Oh, that's me and on the tripod. Okay, so that's just me and me playing with my little radio. So that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, of course, and watch my previous videos, and I'll put the link to this product down below. And I don't think you get this, I don't know, just found this. It says COT MTV Championships. That's an MTV Championship, and of course I'll put a link down to the goddamn batteries you need to set this radio up. Got it. Done. Bye guys.